So, that collective didn't just band right away. We started trying, I skipped a step, didn't I? So the gatherings went to Short Mountain. And the gatherings were wild, chaotic, really great, radical fairy parties, you know. There were those in the community, in the larger community, maybe not necessarily residents at Short Mountain, in the larger fairy community, who were looking for something a little more substantial. And Peter and Ron and Rocky went out and started scoping out places in western North Carolina that could host a conference. They were turned down and turned down and turned down. Actually, I heard a story just today that one place said, oh, okay, sure, we'll have a gay men's conference at our place. And then they found out what was going to happen, and the invitation was canceled. So they were still looking. Then they stumbled across the mountain. And the mountain welcomed them with open arms, as they still do today. So that's really the story of how Gay Spirit Visions came to be here, and the connection that this has to the wider radical fairy community, which is now international in scope and scale. Thank you.